Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today for dinner I'm cooking lamb 4/4 lamb, and what I'm going to do with this lamb is I am going to season with this Thai 7 spice seasoning. I just bought this spice today. I just want to see how good my lamb is gonna turn out. So I'm just gonna season this lamb on both sides. It's a Thai seasoning. I bought this from Coles in Australia. So let's see how this is gonna turn out to be. Just seasoning all sides. So this seasoning has got coriander, red onion, this seasoning has got chili, coriander seeds, turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, cumin, and cloves. Then salt and onion and garlic, lemongrass and basil. This is going to be interesting. So seasoning all sides. This 4/4 of lamb, it's called 4/4 lamb. It's seasoned in Thai seasoning. Let's see how this goes. And now in a large pan, I'm going to add some oil and then heat the oil up for a minute or so. And now I'm going to add my lamb. I cook each side. So I'm going to cook each side for about 5 to 8 minutes or until nice and golden brown. Alright guys, I'm going to cook the other side. Alright guys, now I'm going to set this aside. Set aside. Alright, now I'm adding one large onion. Now I'm going to add my Thai seasoning, and then some garlic powder, black pepper, tomato puree, I'm just gonna add the chicken cubes, and then we're gonna add some water, about a cup of water. Now I'm going to bring back my meat just to make sure they cook in the sauce for about 30 to 40 minutes. Alright guys, I'm just gonna add a little bit more water, cover the lamb quarters. And now I'm gonna cover this. Now guys, I'm just gonna add some capsicum, half a capsicum. Guys, this is lamb quarters smothered in a very delicious sauce. And I'm going to serve this with rice.